KO Squad, we're back again with another video. You know the vibe. You know what I'm saying? Today, it's just me and the girls. We are home today. So, we just gonna enjoy the day, of course. You know what I'm saying? It's just me, Zozo, Lily, and Lebe. Lebe right there. Say what's up.
What's up?
Okay, they know the vibe. You gonna brush your teeth? Alright, cool. So guys, like I said, I'm just here with the girls. You know what I'm gonna do today? Creative cooking. I'm gonna show you guys how to make triple threat porridge. Triple threat porridge is peanut, plantain, and oats. Alright, so I'm gonna show you guys how to make that. Who never made it? The girls never had it either. You get what I'm saying? I'm gonna try to see if I can have them eat some of it. You get me? But that's what we're gonna do today. And guys, if you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so you get that notification every time we drop a new video. Okay? Make sure to share the video. Make sure to like the video. Make sure to comment, and we'll definitely respond to your comment. Okay? So, you know the vibe. We're about to get it cracking. Guys, see Lebe? She brushing her teeth. You just woke up? No?
No.
Oh, but you just not brushing your teeth. Yeah. And you had breakfast? What you had for breakfast? Cereal. Okay, I'm about to make some porridge. You gonna try some? Just a little bit. Just a little bit. Just a little tap. Just a little tap.
No.
You not gonna taste it?
No.
Why? Alright, whatever. You don't know the vibe. Layla don't know the vibe. Yeah, she don't. She don't love my cooking. You love my cooking?
I love your pancakes.
You love my pancakes. Oh, I got some bomb pancakes, right? Yeah, it tastes like you at Waffle at IHOP, right? Yeah. Pancake king. See, we got soccer player right here. Leela. Lily. Yeah. You know what I'm saying? What you got to say to people, Lily?
Good morning.
Good morning.
And
what?
Happy Easter.
Happy Easter again. Okay. Okay. She acting shy. It's alright. She gonna be my cameraman.
I'm tired.
Or my camera lady. You tired?
Yeah.
You work a double yesterday?
No, because Zoe woke me up at like 5 in the morning.
When? Because she was making noise?
Mm-hmm.
Oh,
She
okay.
came in my room and started patting my leg.
It wasn't 5 o'clock. It was after that.
I'm being dramatic.
Very dramatic. As usual. You know what I'm saying? So, she gonna be my camera lady today, guys. You get what I'm saying? And the creative cooking, because I need to move her around. You get me? There's her little bad baby sister, Zozo. Guys, she growing teeth right now. She got like about 6 teeth. Bless you. And she just been fussing. You know? Fussing. And just be going. But say hi. Say hi, Zozo. Say hi to the people.
Hi.
Say hi.
Hi.
She acting shy too. You clapping?
Hi.
Say hi. Hello. Zozo, say hello.
Hi.
Say hi. Guys, I bet as soon as I take the camera off of her, she gonna say hi. But anyways, we just gonna be vibing. I'm gonna go start prepping. Okay? Prepping for this triple threat porridge. Alright? Say hi. So now I'm gonna show you everything that I'm gonna use. I'm gonna start out with all the ingredients. Alright? First off, we have the plantains. These are like huge bananas. So we call this plantain. Alright, plantain. Okay, 1. Peanuts. Okay, raw peanuts. Alright, these are not packed peanuts. that you can go to the corner store and get. You have to go like to a farmer's market or supermarket or something. Get some raw peanuts. Raw peanuts. Okay, guys? Raw peanuts. Alright, now we have some oats. Normally, I would get like some Fosca oats, which is like a Jamaica brand oats. But of course, can't find the Fosca oats, so we got Quaker oats. Alright? And we got the old fashioned. You get me, I said? We have some vanilla. You know? Vanilla extract, you know? Alright? We got some ground cinnamon. Okay? The powder. Alright? And we got some nothing egg. Nothing egg. Alright? So we're gonna grate some of this too. So those are all the ingredients, right, people? All the ingredients we're gonna use. Okay? Of course, you need your blender. Your blender right there. And you need a pot of water. I'm gonna put just some water in it because with all the ingredients, I'm gonna blend all of that. And of course, we're going to give a liquid form, but we're going to put a pot of water. Some, not a lot of water still. We're going to put some water on the stove, make it go on, you know, bubble up. You get me? When it go on bubble up, then we just go on blend up everything. You know what I mean? And then we just throw it in the pot and then we just rub it up. So let me just go catch the pot here, put some water in it, and then start prep. And we're going to start prep for blend up. Alright, guys? Stay tuned for this triple threat porridge. Alright, guys, so we have the pot of water, right? You get me? Pot of water. It's not a lot of water still, but you know, I'm not that far. We're gonna throw it, so throw it just a little bit. Alright? I put it on the stove. Turn on the stove, turn it down to medium. You get me? So put the stove down to medium. Pot of water. And now we're gonna start chef up over here, so. Alright, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna get this, get us a knife, flatten, get me, I say, bust off that, and then we're gonna skin the flatten. Okay, so we'll go like this, and take off the skin off of the flatten. Okay. So, boom, skin off that. This are you taking notes? Shout out to my camera person. You see me? Lily with the camera today. Alright. So we go so boom. Alright. Zoe, why you come mash up my video? Alright, guys, so when you finish peeling the plantain, you just, you know, cut him up and throw him in the plant, in the blender. You get me? Alright. Okay, finish doing that now. So, boom. Add some water. Just cover the plant in water, okay? As you can see. Alright. Once you do that, then you just so boom. Pour some oats. You determine how much oats you want to put in there. Zoe, if you don't back up out of my video, you see like a girl. So you determine how much oats you want to put in there. Of course, the oats is going to swell. Alright, so it's going to expand. So if you put too much oats in it, it's going to expand and it's going to be thick. So you want to be, normally when I'm cooking, I don't use my intuitions, my chef intuitions. I don't use measurement, to be honest, unless I'm testing out a certain recipe where they're giving us instructions, but I always use hold on. We have in your mouth. Come on. Give me. Jesus Christ. Alright guys, back to what I was saying. Zoe was doing something and putting something in her mouth, so I had to go get that. Okay, so you got to be mindful of how much oats you're putting in, because then if you put too much oats, it will be too thick. Okay, so you put a certain amount, and of course you could gradually go back in and pour some more oats if you want. Peanuts. All right, that also. You put some peanuts in there. That should be enough, because I'm not making a lot of porridge. All right. Yeah, Zoe, you gonna try some of this? Triple threat? Alright, so you have all of that in there, so put it on your blender. And of course, then you just grate. That'll go great. Alright? Alright guys, so we finished blending this. Puree. You want to taste the smoothie? No. No. Cameraman, you need to focus, man. Okay, so now we're about to pour this in the pot, okay? First off, let me put a little bit of salt in the pot.
It's been sticky on my hand.
Yeah, because you probably stepped on
The part
something.
thing.
So I put a little bit of the salt in there, and now we're going to pour the mixture in the pot. Alright. Ooh, Zoe, you see that? Ooh. Alright. Then we are going to get the big spoon.
Spoon right here.
Okay. Soup spoon. Okay. And we'll mix this wrong. Mix it wrong. Yeah? Mix it wrong. Alright. And guys, whenever you're cooking this, you have to be close by, like, so keep an eye on it. You have to keep an eye on it, because you have to occasionally stir it, so you have to keep an eye on it. Alright? So now that's in there, we're gonna add a little bit water to this, because we have some leftover, and of course we don't want the leftover. So add a little water. Alright. Add a little water. And pour this in. Of course. Alright. Do that. And what we're going to do now, we're going to add a little addition. So we're going to add some vanilla. Right? Just a tip of vanilla. Alright. Get some, put a little bit more in there. Okay? Let go now, Zoe. Then we're going to add some cinnamon. Okay?
That's a lot of cinnamon.
Yep. Gonna taste like cinnamon. Ow. And then we're gonna add some nutmeg. Alright? Lily, you're taking notes, so whenever I'm sick and I need some porridge, you can make some porridge for me? Huh?
I don't have a notebook.
You don't have a what? Notebook?
I don't have a notebook.
You use a notebook? Take notes in your head. And then we get the grater, the mini one, and do like this.
I'll just watch this video.
So that's your nutmeg. Okay? But of course you can't get the nutmeg the powder one at the store, but I normally go for this. Alright? So nothing heavy. With those, you can put however much you want in there, to be honest. That's up to you. You get me? So we mix that in. You get me? Mix that in. Oh, you ready to taste this? Oh. And now what we do is we just leave it. We just let that sit on the stove. While that sits on the stove, we're going to clean up our work area.
We're going to clean up, like I was saying, guys, we're going to clean up the area. Make that stay on the pot, on the stove, and do its thing while we check on it every minute, whenever time. Just check on it, keep an eye on it. And whenever it's done, we're going to come back and show you guys what it looks like.
So guys, you see that? It's getting thick, okay? All we got to do is just stir it. See that? How thick it is get? Yeah. You see that? It's getting thick. So what you got to do is you got to stir it, okay? I'm going to turn down the stove. The stove was on medium just now. I'm going to turn it down a little bit more. Turn it down to 2. And let it sit right there, okay? So I'm just giving you guys updates on what it looked like throughout the process. It's getting thicker. See that? See that? See how smooth it is? You can see the peanuts in there, the oats. You know? Alright. Literally. It's washing dishes. That's done? Nah, it still got soap on it. Still got soap on it. And of course this little girl is about to come here and mess with her sister on the chair. She said she want to help. Sorry. So she's helping. Okay? Be careful with your sister on the chair. So guys, we're basically done right now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn this off. Yeah? Still got soap on the inside, B. It's still got soap on the inside, baby. And we're going to get our sweet, let me see, sweetening condensed milk. Okay? And some sugar, some granulated sugar to sweeten the porridge. Let me see. So got a little soap right there. So we're going to do that. We're going to do that. And then we're good to go. So what y'all needed to do is open this dishwasher. So we can put it in there. Pull it out. Pull out the tray. And then we're going to rest it in there. Put it back in. Close it up. Alright.
Alright guys, so what we're going to do right now, we're going to sweeten the porridge. Come in a little closer. I want to show you guys. You see? You see how smooth that is? You can see all the peanuts in there and the oats and stuff. So we just mix it out. Look. Oh, yes. Yes. You see that? See that, guys? Just,
Now you got it really stuff.
oh, man. So now we're going to add our condensed milk. All right. First off, let's add the sugar. A little bit of sugar. I normally just use all condensed milk, but of course, you know, we gotta save, you know? So let's put some sugar in there. Yep. Sugar in there. Mix it out. And then you add your cinnamon milk. Guys, you know what I have? What I'm gonna put in there? You guys wasn't ready for this. You guys wasn't ready for this. Huh? You guys wasn't ready for this. Molasses. I'm just gonna put a little bit because it's gonna have it looking dark. So.
Gotta use those muscles.
I got it. You're gonna pour this a little bit. Just a little bit of molasses. Only the real Jamaicans will know about the molasses. You get me? I said, where's my spoon?
You just put it down somewhere.
It's in the pan. It probably went down in the thing. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna find out if it's down in there. Yep. There it is, guys. Found it.
Okay.
So look, see the molasses gives it a darker color. You see? Look a bit of molasses and it. So now, so we're done. Put this over here, so mix this out. And I didn't make it that sweet. So just in case if somebody wanna add some more condensed milk or some more sugar, they can, okay? Or if they wanna add some more molasses, they can. Because I think molasses is burnt sugar. Yeah, molasses is burnt sugar. You know what I'm saying? So we just add some of that, and now we're gonna pour some out. We're gonna pour some out for Lily. We're just gonna give her a little bit, and we're gonna pour some out for Zoe. So we're just gonna give both of them just a little bit.
Me and Zoe can share the same bowl.
No, Zoe, I'm gonna make sure she get her own bowl. So this is for Lily, this is for Zoe. Alright. Just gonna give her just that much. Okay? Just that much for her. And for Zoe, just gonna give her just that much. Just having them start out, because it's the first time they're having it, so I don't want to give them too much. Alright, so this is for Zoe, this is for Lily. Alright? And of course, for me, oh,
Big bowl.
big bowl. You know what I mean? So we just do like this. We go like that. Oh man. You see that, guys?
You gotta
You
save
see
some
that?
for mommy too.
You see that? You say you gotta say something for mommy? Mm-hmm. Okay. You think mommy gonna have it? Drink some?
Yeah.
Ooh, the pot hot. Ah, oh. Alright guys, so that is that, okay?
Wow, folks, you know the vibe. So that was just a rundown of how to make the triple threat porridge, which is of course consisted of what? Plantain, oats, and peanuts. So we just made that. We're about to go eat. Yeah, I'm fine. Me, Lisa, and Zoe. Layla said she didn't want none, cause she being a little ailer. So we're about to go smash. Of course, guys, share the video. Of course, share the video. Share it with a friend, 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 with a friend. Subscribe to our channel. Hit the notification bell so you can get that notice for every video that we post. Follow us on Instagram. Follow us on Facebook at K.O.Family Vlog. And if you leave a comment, we'll definitely respond to you. If you have any questions, we definitely respond. We definitely respond to everybody's comment. Okay? And if you want to know how to make this, give us a call. Or not give us a call, just shoot us a message. Alright? And if you want to know how to make something else, and you need us to help you do it, just let us know. Alright? Layla, what you gotta say? Over there. You know the vibe? Okay, okay. What are you doing? What you gotta say? Gang, gang, squad, squad, all I like, you know the vibe. You know the vibe, Zozo. Alright, so that's that, guys. Thank you for watching. Keep supporting. You know the vibe. Thanks for watching. Keep supporting us. It's a KO squad. You know the vibe. Get with it. Get with it. Get with it.
Alright, people. Zoe's testing it out. See if she likes it, okay? Woohoo! Big Mama's yay! You smash it, Big Mama. Look at Big Mama's plate. Big Mama smashing. You like it? Yay!